So this is my first year ever planting potatoes. These are the little ones, little red potatoes. My wife really likes these. I bought a bunch of seeds and I cut out all the eyes that were forming, so I got a lot more out of what I wanted. And now they're ready to harvest, I think. Well, I've got some bigger ones too. I think these are a little too big for what she wanted. So I probably need to harvest all of these. The majority of them have flowered. The bigger ones came off the one with the flowers that were wilted. I'm just gonna dig in here. There's one. I'll leave those. It seemed like I've never done these before, but it seems like the ones that fall off real easy are the ones that are ready. And if they're not ready, they seem to hang on to their tubers. I think you can just cover that back up and it would be fine. Oh, I came through when they first kind of started sprouting and getting kind of bushy. And I really turned up the soil good, put them in a mound. It seems to have done really good. I can't believe how many I pulled out of here. I bet this one will keep going if I cover it back up. I got a lot of work